Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. This is Piston from FMW. Alright, so welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're working on a little car called the Hyundai Getz. It belongs to a client of mine. She complained, she called me yesterday. Listen, Piston, the car is making a high-pitched sound. I don't know what is happening. I asked where the sound is coming from. She didn't know, but she said between the engine and the wheel. So I had a check. Long story short, it was the brake pads. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Let me show you the car. Nice, huh? Yeah, the lights are a little bit faded, I know, but she's gonna replace the whole headlights in the process. I know most of you guys will say, why do not refresh it, give you those things that they do whereby they resurface the headlight. She's done that already. It's a nice Getz, huh? She's done that already, and now she's tired. She just wants to get her baby bright and good. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be changing the front brake pads, right? So yeah, bear with me. It's gonna be a step by step. I'm just gonna show you one side, because if you've done one side, yeah, the same is gonna be done on the second side. So yeah. So step number one, make sure the car is supported at the back. When I say supported, make sure the car cannot move. Even if it wanted to move, you secure the car so that when you are jacking up, the car, you will actually have less chances of the car falling back on you, right? Then after that, you will loosen the wheels. It has 4 nuts. You loosen the wheels, all right? And then before you jack, you loosen the wheels. Then what I like to do, I'll show you later on why this is important. What you like to do is get a hold of the brake filler lid. As you can see over here, this is the brake filler lid. Do not mistake it for the power steering. This is for power steering, and then this one you can get it behind the air filter cover. It's the brake, is where you put in the brake fluid. Right, check you out while I check up the car now. Okay guys, we're cracking on. Right now I'm just removing the wheel to the car. This car has lock nuts, so bear with me. Right now I'm just gonna jack up the car. So yeah. Alright guys, safety first. So what I usually do when I jack up the car, I make sure the car is on jack stands. So let me show you. Do you see? I can move the car as much as I like to. Nothing will happen, and importantly, yeah. So let's crack on. now as you can see, everything is exposed. This is the brake caliper, right? You have to, there's one nut. On other cars there's actually two nuts, one here and one underneath over here, right? So yeah, we're gonna remove them. It only has one nut. I believe it's a size 13. So let me get this done. So yeah, size 13 is not working there at all. Yeah, it's a 12. As you can see, right? So you have to remove the brake pads. Be careful not to hit these parts over here. Let me check if you can see. Let's move you closer. Yeah. As I was saying, make sure that you don't hit these springs over here, right? So all you have to do is just find a way of removing without damaging those springs. Then you're done. There we go. Yeah, ne? Okay, so as you can see over here, hey, they've seen. There's usually a line over here. Okay, let me do this. Let me grab the new one and show you guys. Okay, comparison. Huh? Huh? Check it with the thickness. Huh? Alright, so let's carry on, guys. Okay, remember when I said you must remove the cap on the bonnet over there inside the engine bay? This is why, the reason why. So Mr. Piston over here needs to be pushed, because now if I fit a new brake pad over here, there's not enough space. So as you brake, this thing pushes the brake pad this side and that other side, so you need to push it back, right? So what I like to use is a lever over here and just, you know, so bear with me. Let me get that lever. Perfect. As you can see, it has moved. Now I've got space for my new brake pad. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. What actually happened is, you can see over here, I'm done. And my camera, like the phone was, yeah, the disk space was full, so I'm sorry about that. You didn't see everything. Yeah, so I thought I was recording Apparently I was not recording. Anyway, let's take you back to the other side. So this is the other side. Yeah, I believe everything was taken apart like that on the other side, right? So yeah, I was showing you this pin. It's a retainer. It keeps the brake pads from falling down if it's worn out, because what usually happens if your brake pad is like this, and you don't have the set clips, hey, the brake pad is gonna fall on it. Righty. Eish, guys, I'm sorry if the quality is not the same, but I had to grab my other phone. So yeah, we're cracking on. I just cleaned the pins over here. This is where the brake pads travel. They need to be clean, and if you have brass paste, is it copper paste? Yeah, it's copper paste. You grease it over here and you grease it over there, and then yeah, I'm gonna advise the customer. As you can see, the disc has developed a lip. This should be the same surface. As you can see, it's scored, and also there's a gap here. This gap doesn't have to be there. When you have a warped disc like this, that's when you notice your car, when you are applying the brakes, the steering vibrates like this, or even on your brake pedal, it vibrates, it keeps on pushing like this. It's usually this. It's a warped disc. This one, yeah, it can last a little bit longer, but sooner rather than later, she'll have to put on new discs. And remember, when you're putting on new discs, you must put on brake pads as well. Huh? Otherwise, it will finish those old brake pads will finish your new disc. So wow. Yeah, guys, let's crack on. I'm just showing you now how to one-handed. Yeah, one-handed. Okay, so I just want to show you how to bring the piston back, how to push Mr. Piston back. Oh guys, yeah, I don't know how to work one-handed. Bear with me. So yeah, let's put Mr. Brake Pad. Mr. Brake Pad, listen. Hey, this is really funny. I hope you enjoy it as much as I am. Okay, as I said before, Mr. Piston needs to be levered back into position. So this is how you do it, guys. You put your screwdriver over the hole, right? And you just push. Wrong place, sorry. There you go. As you can see, the gap is growing. It's opening up. See? And then back to the thing that I was showing you about. If you didn't open up over here, the brake fluid is just gonna be blocked here, and it's gonna be making your life a living hell, because the pressure of the brake fluid is not getting access. You see, so if you open up that lid, you're making your life much simpler. Okay, so yeah, then you're done. If it doesn't fit again, you do the same thing, guys. Then you put on everything. I believe I've shown you everything. Thanks.